Good morning, everyone. I just want to show you something about the bikes in Tokyo. I would say in Japan as a whole. Look at that. No lock needed. All of them, as you can see, they sleep overnight on the streets and people just leave it. Nobody's going to take it. Right here, oh, there is a lock. Right here, more. No lock. Incredible, huh? Incredible. It should be, that's the way it should be. Nothing really incredible about that. You know, it is what it is. Just showing you. We will get there one day as a society.